Hi there! Join me in my trip today at Nusa Penida Island here in Bali, Indonesia. We arrived here at Summer Beach 8:33 in the morning and we bought our lunch from Circle K. Pasta, carbonara, chicken curry, and of course the bread. Water is also very important. We should be here 10 minutes before the departure time. I researched it online. We bought this for 1,350,000. This is good for 3 persons. It's 450,000 for 1 person, and it's a return ticket. You can just choose whatever time you want. Together with me, we have our background music, and of course our driver, Madi. Hi, Madi. Madi. Madi Putra? Yeah, it's Madi Putra. And we will be going to our first destination, that is Angel's Tulyabong. Ape, how much?
You pay.
How much ape? How much ape for Dacia? Toilet 5,000.
Only 5,000.
5,000 rupiah.
Like Taiwan.
It's very very hot here in Bali, like 37 or 38 degrees Celsius, and we're done with our first stop at Angel.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
So, dito po kami sa Rizal Bay. So, yan. Ginawa namin, nagbili na kami ng lunch.
I'm trying to put your heart.
Tapos dito namin kinain.
Smoking up.
Drinks worth like 25, sa akin 25k. Sa'yo.
Mine is 30k.
40k.
Because smoothie siya eh.
And it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you open.
Mamaya daw ay magmamassage. Worth 65,000. Doon na lang kami sa pinakamura, Balinese
Sa
massage.
kitchen.
Ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. Jaya!
Ayos oh! I was caught off guard.
Moira!
Ginawang ano? Impersonators.
Meron pa yan, di ba?
Master Temps.
Master Temps. Oh, goodbye Bali. So this will be our last day in Bali na magkaroon ng tour. Pero bukas, goodbye na talaga kay ano na kami, going back to Philippines.
Bisa namin planta.
Thank you for joining me in my trip at Nusa Penida Island. For more fun-filled adventures and travel tips, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notification of my latest videos. This has been Stephen. Thank you so much and have a nice day.